Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before proceeding to tutorial, I request you that please subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, click on this red subscribe button, and then click on bell icon, so that in future whenever I will upload a tutorial on my channel, you will be notified via email. Thank you. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make shining pentagram star in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Create a new document. Choose Star tool. Hold down Alt and Shift key and draw a star. Choose Pen tool, and make lines like this. Select all, increase the stroke size. Click on Stroke to open Stroke panel. Click on second round Join button to round the edges of the star. Again select all, go to Object, and choose Expand. Keep the default settings. Click OK to apply. Go to Windows, and choose Pathfinder, to open Pathfinder panel. Click on first Unite icon to merge the shapes. Change the star color. Choose Rectangle tool, and draw a star equal to artboard size. Send rectangle back, so that we can select our star. Select the star, and change its color to white. Select the rectangle and lock it. Select the star. Go to Object, Path, and then choose Offset Path. Type 4 pixels offset, and click OK to apply. Now we have two stars. Select outer one, and apply Gaussian Blur on it. Select the radius as per your choice. Click OK to apply. You can see that now our star is glowing. But glowing effect is being applied on both, inside and outside. However, I want to see glow effect at outside only. To do so, select Inner Star and temporarily hide it. Now we have only one glowing star. Select Pen tool. There will no fill color. Change the stroke color. Draw a path above the star like this. Click on Swap Arrow, to swap color. Select both shapes. Then choose Shape Builder tool, hold down Alt key, and click on the red area to remove all the overlapping shapes. Now show your hidden star. You can see that now glow is only outside of the star. If you want, you can control the Gaussian blur value from Appearance panel. Similarly, you can make more stars. Choose star 2, hold down Alt and Shift key, click and drag to draw a star. To go Object, Path, and choose Offset Path. Make 3 pixel offset, and click OK to apply. Lock the big background rectangle. Now we have 2 stars. Select the outer one, and apply Gaussian Blur on it. Choose radius as per your choice, click OK to apply. Select both, right-click, and make a group. Select the star, hold down Alt key, and drag towards right side to make a copy. Now select both stars, and take their copy similarly. That's it. So that was the tutorial, how to make pentagram shining star in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion, or feedback, feel free to comment below. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.